Mustafa first.
Hello
ride.
guys, what's up?
Yeah. First day of school.
Papunta kami ngayong
I
Namtok
wonder if, like, there's a better
with
place
my
for the-
friends
I'll take a chair, bro.
Rob,
Might give you that stress.
JB, and Mustafa.
Don't worry about that. I don't think there's a better place to put it.
So na-prepare na kami. First ride ni Mustafa ngayon sa kanyang big bike. Big bike. Okay, kita-kits tayo doon. Abangan nyo yung mga mangyayari mamaya.
Because you know we passed Palau Reservoir,
Yes.
so maybe on the way back we can get some ice and then we can go to Palau.
Hey guys. Malapit na
And
kami
that's
sa
nice. It's like
pupuntahan
so. This
namin.
Padang is the closer reservoir, but on that road we went, we passed.
Maraming baka guys, oh. Kinabuhian lang nila dire ah. Here.
Oh shit!
Dito kami ngayon sa ano nga to, guys?
I don't know. It's
Okay.
abandoned reservoir.
Yeah, we survived.
Sa Bandar Reservoir.
Okay.
So, ang laki niya guys. May nagfi-fishing doon.
Suway.
Suway Maak.
Yeah,
Suway Maak.
Suway.
Ganda ng tanawin guys. Para na siyang lake ngayon. Pero reservoir to sa mga katutubo dito na nakatira. May companions. What's up, bro? How was your ride, bro?
That was great.
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah, how was your first ride, Mustafa? Yeah, that was great, actually. Yeah, mostly it was a smooth ride.
Yeah,
for some parts.
I forgot that I did remember the off-road section, but I couldn't
Namay sila sa ako
remember it
guys
that
kay
No, but it was alright.
how daw kay kumunaog dire oh.
It's not too bad.
Basic raman ni sa to ah.
Basic.
Basic. Okay. Anami sa amo ang spot. Sapa. Mas tindot sa to pero sila man god talagsara kay mga ani nga spot gyud. O nang ginadayo gyud nila. Okay. Namo ang mga estudyante diri ah. Brian. Estudyante na mo na diri ah. Layuan lang natin.
So I parked in the car park just down there, and I didn't know there's that part, so I have to come through all of this. I'm open to water now.
Okay. So mo ni ang spot. Ang mga bata nga naligo, ang isa da ang mga estudyante. Sagol na itong vlog, Bisaya, English ug Tagalog. Assorted vlog. Okay guys, look up. Hi Leo.
Ready? Let's go.
What's up guys? Nandito na tayo sa final destination natin. So, Cauco National Park. I don't know how to read this one but siguro Cauco to. Part to siya ng Cauco. Tapos 400 meters para makaabot dun sa falls na sinasabi nila. So, antay-antay lang po tayo. Maraming salamat sa panonood at paki-follow, like, and share na lang po. What's up? Papunta na tayo sa waterfalls. So, kailangan naming lakarin kasi hindi pwede daanan ng mga motor. Dadaan kami dyan sa tulay. The Hanging Bridge.
Oh, nice.
Sarado pala.
Oh.
I think ano na siya, luma na, baka makadisgrasya ng mga turista. So we're in the jungle now, as you can see. There's a lot of bamboos here and also snakes, the anacondas. So I'll just update you guys when we arrive into the waterfalls. Bye! Sabi nila guys, mag-English daw ako para makakaintindi sila kung ano yung sinasabi ko. So, pero hindi naman lahat kaya kong Englishin. So, Tagalog o Bisaya atong gamiton guys. Doon namin sa waterfalls guys, kung makita niyo. Wait. Tora. Kana falls na siya. Pangit itong kung hindi maklaro niya lang sa doon. Murag kailangan ako maligo niya balag ako ilisan. Basa-basa niya ko pa uli. Dry lips na tayo. Hello guys, look at the view. Wala kami taon guys. Kay may kabalo, bawal day maghaling dire. Gutom. Gutom. Bawal na yung magtugba. Kami na taon. Yeah, we're hungry. Traffic, traffic. We have a problem here. It's so traffic, guys. Look at this. We're on the road. Traffic, guys, traffic. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye guys. Bye cowboys.